Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for south central Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, north central Harris County in southeastern Texas until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:28 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hooks Airport or near Tomball, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This storm has a history of producing a tornado. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Spring, the Woodlands, Oak Ridge North, Hurricane Harbor Splashtown, the Woodlands Pavilion, and Hooks Airport around 11:35 a.m. Central Standard Time. Shenandoah and Chateau is around 11:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Woodloke and Porter Heights around 11:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a
The National has issued a tornado warning for Harris, Texas, beginning at 11:09 a.m. and ending at 12:29 p.m. Once again, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Harris, Texas, beginning at 11:29 a.m. and ending at 12:29 p.m. The News 87.